Let's consider the given statement AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B. Okay. Now the question is what is A square plus B square? So that's the question. I would like to multiply A as a post multiplier. So what is this? What is this? So this is nothing but B, right? So I get AB is equal to A square. Multiply um, B as a post multiplier here. So what is this? So that's nothing but A. BA is equal to B square, right? So we got A square and B square, just add on AB plus BA. So what is AB? What is AB? Given the question, A. What is BA? B. So what is the answer? A plus B, right? Let us consider the next one, number of symmetric matrix. So what is the meaning of symmetric matrix? So say like you have A, B, C. Okay. So this one is going to be the same. So if I use E here, E here, B here, D here, C here, C here, or maybe F, F here, F here, right? And this is going to be the symmetric matrix, which means if you assume this matrix is A, and it is same as A transpose, right? Now, number of symmetric matrix order 3 by 3 with entries 1 or minus 1. So now let us consider the case. So I can have two options here. Again, I can have two options here. I can have two options here, right? Say like I can write either 1 or minus 1, 1 or minus 1, 1 or minus 1, 1 or minus 1. Right? So totally I have 2 into 2 into 2. Whereas now, whatever you want to have here, it is to be the same here. So we can write only for either upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. The other one should be the same. So now what I can do, I can multiply by here either 1 or minus 1, 2. Again here 1 or minus 1, so 2. Here 1 or minus 1, again 2. So this one automatically has to be the same. Then only it is the transpose, the A and A transpose can be equal. So how many we have? 2 power 6. What is 2 power 6? That's nothing but 64, right? So the same question is there when you are dealing with relations, number of symmetric relations. So it is the same, right? 2 power n square minus n by p. So what is the n here? What is the n here? So there are 9 places to be filled. Is right? 9 places to be filled. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix, right? So 2 power 3 square 9 minus 3. So this is number of reflexive relation. So for symmetric n square plus n by 2, right? Plus 3 by 2. So you get 2 power 6. So directly you can use a formula and get also. So next you have a matrix A, which is Aij 3 by 3. It's defined like this. The number of elements in A which are more than 5. Okay. So 3 by 3 matrix Okay, so now let us figure out this is the thing which they've given when I is less than j. So what is a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a22, a31, a32, a23, a33. So if you consider I is less than j, if you consider I is less than j, so the upper triangular is I less than j, and this lower triangular I is greater than j, right? And I is equal to j is like the diagonal, principal diagonal is I is equal to j. So here the number of elements in A which are more than 5, right? So you can consider any element, so 2i plus 3j. So the upper triangle comes, so 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. So basically 2 plus 6, right? And 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. So these are going to be greater than 5. You can check for this. 3 into 2 minus 2 into 1. So 6 minus 2. And 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1. So 9 minus 2. It's going to be 7. Next we have 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2. So 9 minus 4 exactly 5. And here we have 6 minus 2. So only one element comes from the lower, and all the elements comes from the upper. So which is option 4. So yeah, B option. So next one you have is consider x, y, z, w, p. So x is a matrix of order 2 by n, and y is a matrix of order 3 by k. Z is a matrix of order 2 by p. W is a matrix of order n by 3, and p is a matrix of order p by k. Then the restriction on n, k, and p, so that py plus wy will be defined. So there is a matrix. Okay. So addition of matrix can be possible if the orders are same. So what is a p matrix? So I have p, it's order p into k, p by k. I have a matrix y plus 3d by k. So which means k has to be 3. K has to be 3, or the choice. Okay. Some p and k can be anything. So anyway, now we have got what is a k. So which means the entire thing, let me consider as A. So this one I will consider as A. A is a matrix of order P by K. Okay. Now let us work on the second one. So I'll assume this one as B. Okay. So what is W? We have W n by 3. And what else we have? Y. What is Y? Y is 3 by K. Right? So these two are matched. So B matrix is of order n by K. So again, we know what is K, right? So the matrix B is what? Matrix B is, one second. The matrix B is n by K, which is 3. So here also let me replace as 3. So P and N. So very important is K, like K is equal to 3 we got, and P should be N. It could be anything. P and N can be anything, no issues. So which option comes there? Yeah, K is 3 and P is equal to N. Yes. Find the matrix A square where Aij is 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij max I comma j and minus minimum I comma j. Find matrix A square, such a way that A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. So Aij gives max Aij max Ij minus minimum I comma j. So A11 is equal to maximum of this is 1, minimum of this is again 1. So it becomes 0. A12 max is 2, minimum is 1. So I get 1. A21 max is 2, minimum is 1. Again 1. A22 max and minimum both are the same, which is 0. So I get matrix A to be 0, 1, 1, 0. Right? What is A square? 0, 1, 1, 0 into 0, 1, 1, 0. So when we try to multiply this, 0 plus 1 is 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0. So you get an identity matrix, right? So that's going to be A square.